the rise of situationships. Why are labels disappearing?
Okay, situationships.
Cowardice.
We did
Charot.
talk about this in the previous, but then a part of it, it's just more of, there are many ways na you could get to talk to a person, get in touch with humans. There's social media, there's Bumble, Tinder, dating apps. So that's why situationships are like that. If you notice, when you go on these apps, you just like to look at things. Parang nasa mall, nakaupo ka, tumitingin-tingin ka lang, people watch. It's becoming that. So nagkaaroon ka na ADHD in relationship. And that's always a challenge. Yung gusto mo lang, tumitingin ng mga chicks, gano'n.
Yeah.
So that's how I feel about it.
Situationship. I think, for me, yung situationship, yung kunyari meron ng ka-relationship yung isang person. Tapos biglang na-meet mo yung tao na yon. Tapos nagkagustuhan kayo. And then biglang nagkaroon ng confusion.
Parang ngayon lang,
And then hindi ka makapag-decide.
nandito ako sa Dubai, sa
Oo,
aeroplano.
so parang, damn man, may situation siya. Gusto niya ako, kaso lang hindi niya pwedeng iwanan ng basta-basta yung person na yun.
So yun na yung situation.
Kasi matagal na sila together.
Nasa aeroplano kayo.
Pero hindi naman siya happy.
Nasa Dubai.
Pero mas happy naman siya sa akin.
Business class.
'Di ba? Pero hindi niya magawang hiwalayan yung person na yun. So ngayon it becomes a situationship.
What do you
So
do?
in short,
Is it acceptable or not? Yun yung
girl,
tanong.
free siya just in case somebody else comes along.
I think yun yung
Open
alam mo yung
relationship.
alam mo yung meron siyang jowa, tapos biglang na-meet mo siya. Tapos biglang gusto niyo yung isa't isa. Gusto niyo yung isa't isa, pero kasi hindi pwede kasi may jowa siya. Yung ganon. So I think that becomes a situationship for me, ha. I mean, like, that's how I understand things.
Ako kasi,
Yung kumbaga nag-meet kayo, tapos may jowa siya, pero hindi siya happy dun sa jowa niya, pero hindi niya mahiwalayan. Kasi matagal na sila together. Tapos bigla kang dumating. Paano mo yun i-deal?
we got the right love.
Parang
at the
ganon.
wrong
Right love at the wrong time.
Ganun
So I
yun.
don't know. I think for me, I have to let him experience and finish that relationship
Before you.
before
I remember
I
you
enter.
telling me about this.
Yeah,
Yung mga
before I
napapakit
enter.
Sa'yo, pero merong
Meron na
jowang
pala.
iba.
Oo, yung mga ganon. Siyempre kasi parang nakakaawa naman kung ikaw yung nasa side ng babae, di ba? I mean,
But,
Pero may nabasa akong
oh,
quote.
ano nabasa mo?
so anong
Nabasa akong
gagawin mo?
quote, diba?
Anong gagawin mo kung ikaw?
If you were in a relationship and then somebody else comes along and you love that person more, puntahan mo yung second person. Kasi if you really truly love the first person, hindi mo na i-entertain yung second person. So it's sad, but if you think about the logic of it, parang, oo nga no, bakit pa ako tumingin sa iba kung mahal ko talaga tong kasama ko?
Alam nyo na yan, ha?
Diba? But don't worry. Don't worry.
Basta tirahin mo lang ang tirahin, bro. Ubusin mo yung lakas. Para nyo tumingin kahit saan. Ganun lang yun.
Yeah.
Hindi. Kasi I mean like, yeah, yun nga eh. Parang kung hindi ka na happy sa isang relationship.
Why stay there for the longevity if it's gonna be, and then you have kids pa, para kayo nakakulong, di ba?
That's the worst eh. You feel you're trapped kasi you don't want to hurt the person. Pero nasa-sacrifice mo na yung sarili mo because you don't want to hurt the other person. Kasi kung tutuusin, wala naman talagang mali eh. But then pala, deep inside sa sarili mo, you feel trapped na. Sad eh, no? Wala lang.
Sad.
I know a lot of people.
Damn.
You know, this is
Sad.
such a revelation of an
Dang,
episode, ladies and
situationship.
gentlemen.
That question is so hard,
You know, especially this New Year episode of Too Hot for Podcast. It comes to an end with the life of Rick B. Nakita ko na kung ano yung sitwasyon nito. So next week, Too Hot for Podcast will be live at Silo. We're gonna look for girls. And at studio, we're gonna be, yun pala yun. Huwag kang lalabas.
Biglang nag-away na naman sila, guys.